This is it. We have the introduction, we have the nitrogen thing, we have the phosphorus thing, we have the balance thing, and then the conclusion thing. There we go. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Ah, okay. Good. Fine. Fine. Imagine planting a tomato seedling in your backyard or even in a small pot in your dorm room. You water it, give it sunlight, you wait for it to grow. Weeks later, the leaves turn yellow, the roots may seem weak, the plant struggles. What went wrong? The answer often comes down to two nutrients, just two essential nutrients, nitrogen and phosphorus. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how these nutrients work and how they work together, how to recognize when they're missing, how to apply this knowledge to healthier plants. To grow healthier plants, you just need to apply this knowledge. And the first thing we'll be talking about is nitrogen. Nitrogen is the nutrient that fuels leaf growth, it fuels photosynthesis. When nitrogen is sufficient, leaves are vibrant and green. When nitrogen is not sufficient, they turn pale, they turn yellow. If you're gardening, look for leaf color as the first clue to nitrogen levels. If the leaf is yellow, then you know your leaf has some issues with the nitrogen uptake. When you understand the phosphorus, we have to point out that phosphorus supports root development and it supports energy transfer. Strong roots mean the plant can absorb water and nutrients effectively. Without phosphorus, roots are stunted, flowering is delayed. If your plant looks weak at the base or flowers, but the plant flowers late, phosphorus might be the problem there. And when we talk about how nitrogen and phosphorus balance, it just means when we're talking about how they work together, we're just saying nitrogen is complementary to phosphorus and phosphorus is complementary to nitrogen. One strengthens the top, which is the nitrogen at the top, and the other strengthens the bottom, which is phosphorus, the bottom. This is just how they're balanced, phosphorus and nitrogen. And a balanced fertilizer use would have a good fertilizer would have this too, and the use of a balanced fertilizer is key. It would probably have potassium as well, but for the sake of the root to shoot ratio, for the sake of that, we need to talk about a nitrogen phosphorus balanced fertilizer. Too much nitrogen can cause lush leaves but poor roots. Too much phosphorus can harm the environment through runoff. So the next time you see a struggling plant, you're not just looking to blame the sunlight or to blame water. You have to be thinking about what's happening inside the plant, not just outside. You need to be talking about the uptake for nitrogen. Is it good enough? Is it good enough for the leaves? The uptake of phosphorus is good enough for the roots. By recognizing these signs and applying nutrients responsibly, you can transform weak plants into thriving ones. More importantly, you'll be practicing sustainable gardening that benefits both your plants and the environment. And just for you to remember, healthy plants don't happen by accident. Healthy plants happen because we understand and apply the science behind them. And now you have the tools to do just that. Thank you very much.